din po namin pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors, our panel of judges. Thank you very much for sharing your time and purpose to all of us, to our VIPs, families, friends, and supporters. At sa lahat po ng nanonood online, thank you very much sa pagtutok po ninyo sa most anticipated trans pageant ng taon. Maraming salamat din po sa aming production team.
Thank you so much, Derek Rod, RD, Team RD, of course, nag-iisang Jack Salvador.
Mr. Jack Salvador, thank you very much for that efficient job and for writing our fabulous script for
At
tonight.
hindi lang basta ang script, pati yung floor direction, ay napunta na rin kay Jack Salvador. Maraming salamat, Jack. Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, this was more than a competition. It was a celebration of confidence, purpose, and true representation.
Ang All-Star Edition na ito ay patunay lamang na ang Miss International Queen Philippines ay nagkakaisa at sumusuporta sa mga local pageants at sa bawat reyna sa buong bansa.
That is true. Kaya naman maraming salamat once again to our production team, staff and crew for your hard work for putting together a phenomenal celebration. To our national director, good luck Fuchsia and Ravenna on MGI All-Stars. Our creative director, of course, Direk Roderick de la Cruz. Maraming salamat to our president and CEO, Mami Michelle Montecarlo. Thank you very much for your leadership and never-ending support. Once again, this is Sean Kyle Ortega.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I am Kalat Karen.
This has been Miss International Queen Philippines 2026 All-Star Edition,
where the stars align and queens from different platforms come together as one.
Thank you so much, everybody, for being with us. See you next year for Miss International Queen Philippines 2027!
Bye! Have a great night, everybody. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
International Queen.
All right, we are going to call in our candidates first for the photo op. So all candidates po, maaari po lamang lahat po ng